Xtreme Power Assist, a revolutionary electric steering solution by Dometic, designed to transform your boating experience like never before. Xtreme Power Assist brings easy-to-install electric power steering to all outboard vessels up to 200 horsepower. The Xtreme Power Assist steering brings smooth and easy control to a wide range of mechanically steered boats, such as pontoons, runabouts, ribs, aluminum fishing boats, and center consoles. Now, what sets Xtreme Power Assist apart? Unlike traditional electric helm-assisted systems that increase the load on the mechanical steering cable, the Xtreme Power Assist integrates with your existing mechanical steering cable at the engine side. The electric steering actuator handles the engine load, while the mechanical steering cable provides steering signal input to the XPA unit. This innovative approach ensures reliable, long-term performance in real-world, on-the-water conditions. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of the XPA unit. Significantly reduced steering effort. Experience a car-like driving sensation. Wide compatibility. Engineered to fit a wide range outboard boats up to 200 horsepower. Easy installation. With its self-contained plug-and-play design, the Xtreme Power Assist can easily mount to all major outboard brands. Now, whether you're leisurely cruising or battling challenging waters, Dometic's Xtreme Power Assist will enhance your boating adventure like never before. In the unlikely event of a system failure, the system reverts to mechanical steering, ensuring you stay in control even under unforeseen circumstances. From the thrill of powering through the waves to the ease of docking, the Xtreme Power Assist from Dometic takes marine steering to new heights. Join the thousands of boaters already enjoying the benefits of this cutting-edge technology.